pho cheng pikiti pen cheng pikaselama se ke kapajut Mahamaya Constituency Committee Aropen Paklongkam Rupjili Pathuak Lamalong Maika Padopot Kardom Nili Adababirda Thanbang Samijunali Timungpi Non Birdang Tonpen Narjuitha Karbianglong Autonomous Council Art and Culture Affairs Sai Campaign Hamren Culture Center Apen Mukhya Mantri Samagra Unayan Yojana Atumpen Patirpi Ponsi Nikrep Ho Parman Cheng Pikithip Lapen Cheng Pikesalam Ponasake Paikuni ni Pai Inkora ke Thom Ani Hamren Culture Center Sai Hamalong Seke ke Pajut Amai ke Padopona Birta Kat News Sai Hamalong Birta Nang Pale Hamren Brown Secretary OSD Jonah Terang Pen Kachpa Hempupona Mayalong Alhisa Poaman Pen Yemrup Singh Teron Chetong Dun Lapen Deputy Director Art and Culture Rani Terang P Border Development Board Chairman Richardson Hanse Hamren Municipal Board Vice Chairman Hetsing Rongphar Ward Commissioner Longkendra Hanse KTM CRI Principal Dilip Kadhar Apen Deputy Director Cultural Affairs Himari Tok Bipen Chenglok Pinaan Kithege Dingatum Chitong Dun Labang Soseke Ki Piponalong Katokabe Bang Thom Kep Abang Pubang Piatumpen Bang Soseke Entunsi Kitheka Certificate Lapen Honorarium Atangka Pipajirpon APHLC Regional Political Party Mahamaya Constituency Committee Aropen Phaikuni ni Phai Inkora ke Thom Ani Paklongkam Rupjili Pathuak Lamalong Maika Padopona Birta Kat News Sai Hamalong Birta Nang Pale Mahamaya Constituency APHLC Aropen Paklongkam Rupjili Pathuak Lamalong ke Paman Ponang Mayalong Central Committee Pen APHLC Vice President Atum Rajesh Tiso Pudimaing Hippie Organizing Secretary Kursing Timung Office Secretary Albert Ronghi Assistant Office Secretary Deben Rongpi Lapen Ongdung APHLC Songja Po Songja Piatum Chetong Dun Mayalong BJP Congress Lapen Akaprek a political party Klembang Pubang Piatum Ta APHLC Regional Political Party along Ching Bedun APHLC Vice President Rajesh Tiso Lapen Songja Po Songja Piatum RD the Jot Pen 6 Sedul Sejak Kongalam Hemprek Alam Apudak Angton Klarsa Pen Thanpon Number 25 Nilip MSC Constituency BJP Mondar Amai Pukimi Phaikuni ni Phai Inkora ke Thomani ke Denglapen Karcho Amai Kapaman Pona Birta Nangle Suresh Tiso Pen Kachari Pona Mayalong Nilip Constituency MSC Pavitra Rongpi Lapen Nilip Ahawar BJP Ratcharia Songalong Klem Rapet Do Anta Mondar Amai Pubapuram Teronapan Nilip Constituency Hawar Along Deng Ponsi Archupon Mondar Amai Phuahin Pen Vote Committee Lapen Polling Station Tin Along Klem Pangkido Anta Bidisori Kachipachoy Pen Klem Rapet Nang Pusi Radapan Kachuning Ripado Non Malam So Porapan Birta Moington Paiksina
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Dipu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5342 and 8812-805591 or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com.
Huge Deepavali Dhamaka offer on electronic appliances. So complete your home with electronic with the best technology. Come and grab with the best offer on LED TV 24-inch with the best price of only rupees 5,000 with 1-year warranty. 32-inch of rupees 7,300 only. Android Smart TV of 40-inch, 45-inch and 55-inch at the lowest price. On special offer in inverter battery, luminous and inverter battery with solar, iron and steel bed with an affordable price. For more details, kindly contact 8812053818, 936563272 or 8638198316. Cedar Electronics Shop located at Bokulia Difu Road, 782482 Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need. groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Kanch Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Wang tha wang ik tha electronic a hormone ang litum ador kijum hek pen long pon ikji lase apor pacheton dun pen varsai kemi to endun iksana nang litum long pon ikji lake fridge long a brain LG Samsung Sony Whirlpool Haier TV long a brain dolake LG Samsung BPL Akai washing machine a brain lake Samsung LG Haier lapen ke tutulang plastic chair table steel lapen plywood furniture lapen ke solar inverter da longpon ikji lasinang litum na humri ignon Asok Prasad Chateri Bukulia Electronic and Electrical Akulat Bukulia Main Market Karbi Anglong Assam.
Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor hinben warsai kemi kipipon lasila sonobor sai kemi helong ninghangatum ali chuan dunik tha warsai kemi laki chiklo jontro kophan kapamala seke piponji lasi apor panhok he pinpen Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor along patebok damiknon rong parpi rong berot near Iron Bridge Dipu Karbi Anglong lasi lan sose kachini le thoji aphan laswa number 600-121-3664 along Humriknon.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731. 93652-07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Claret Beauty Salon Unisex is opening its door for a 6-month crash course on beautician and cut. Interested person may kindly come and contact Claret Beauty Salon Unisex near Iron Bridge, Rongparbi, Rongbi Road, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Document requirements are recent photograph, voter ID and caste certificate.
Dihina mo putat birta long wangtulo. West Karbi Anglong Amri constituency ke parlo umpanai community hola long phai kunini phai kora ke thomani putot APHLC constituency committee amai kang ni pontu birta pherang kepen katnyu sa sahamalok birta nang pale. Rolling Stone kathar pen kachpahem pupona mai long Amri Chinthong constituency in charge long ki phangcho chitong dun APHLC achakong intang bom pola pen ke claim atumta amithanga sai pu chimathasi claim bang pubang phiatum to anta ke claim kidam chipaduk pon popusi lamthe chichak rinti noni prangke bangji am kachia long Amri Chinthong habar arado anapanta kipedu ponji asai prabjin pen deng pon poputa Amri Chinthong in charge long ki phangcho pen pachini
secretary jugidam tang meeting long bang tum secretary wai pon long lang stabe pini meeting mai tum secretary wai pon lo alang limen borsing limen alang li non ki bang yar ni pen galang li full swing nang claim populo wai pang churu lo la peni tum mai long kachiparai non next meeting tum tarik tropsier ni itum ulukun anggaci komiti ko long itum meeting di pon supo apena dak meeting long itum next rally amri jintong doram lai itum rally padui pandai itum agenda deng pon lo apen itum deng popos itum cirai pon lo long live 6 to long live
Ada babirda bang kila pons kang ton peikla dumi thakmi kurang tu